Hey y'all, today we are making pork tenderloin sliders, but instead of doing it in the cast iron, which is what we normally do it, today we're doing it in a stoneware. And this is just 3 ingredients, super easy. Our favorite store, which is Deer Kitchen Leyden in Fredericksburg, Texas, they had this quick trim, brisket, and silver skin trimmer. So we're gonna see if this works. So we're gonna make pork tenderloin sliders, and we're doing a product test today. Let's see how this turns out. All right, so I have 2 pork tenderloins right here. This actually works. I don't know. A little bit. I think with fat it would work. On brisket, I think it would work. But on the silver skin, I'm not feeling it.
All right, well, let's move over to the handy dandy knife that you normally use.
Namely, we have this. All right. I think if that was a brisket fat cap, I think that would work pretty well. So I can get this one to work. The most important thing when you're doing any kind of cooking, if there's any kind of silver skin, like on the tenderloin or ribs, this will not break down no matter what you do. You can marinate it, you can stick it in vinegar, smoke it, it does not matter. This will not break down, and it becomes off-putting, it becomes chewy, and so you need to eliminate it as much as possible. That kind of got a little deep right there. But again, as I said earlier, I am not a butcher, so. And when you're doing this, a sharp knife is the right knife. Nothing is more dangerous than a dull knife. First one's done, now we're gonna do the second one. This one's a little bit cleaner, should be a little bit easier to trim up. And this right here is called the chain. It's a weird bristle. Alright, so both of them are trimmed. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil on top here. Put that in a little bit. Here's Miracle Meat Test. One clean hand, one dirty hand. We can give these a flip. That's good. That's about it. We're going to put it in the oven for about 350 degrees for about 35-40 minutes. So on our small cast iron, we have just a little bit of olive oil and 4 cloves of garlic. And we're going to let this cook up. You don't want it to burn. Okay. And then what we have is basic mayonnaise. We did use Duke's mayonnaise because I think they made the best one. And this is the black garlic powder from 10 Springs. So we're gonna do it first. Already cooked, so we're gonna put this in there. I'm gonna mix. I'll wait for this to cook up. fragrant. Wow. All right, so the garlic is cooked. Put olive oil in there, and we're gonna mix. It gives it a crazy color. A little dark, a little shiny, all the olive oil. So, the tenderloin is done. We have our black and white pepper garlic mayo. We have our toasted Hawaiian buns, a little Havarti cheese. Dinner's ready. So this was a 3-ingredient recipe. Just the pork loin is your number 1. Put a little olive oil on the outside, give it some color, and then Deron's miracle meat this on the outside. 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, and pull out, let it rest for about 5 minutes, and cut and serve. All right, so the mayo, there are black and white garlic mayo. The black has really started to come through on this mayo. It's got a crazy color to it.